Hey Chef Kids, Auntie Laurel here, and I hope you're ready to make the Dino-cado toast with me. Our ingredients are 1 medium avocado, 3 to 5 cherry tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 green or red bell pepper, fresh cilantro, and 2 slices of toast. Hey Chef Kids, so happy you're going to do the Dino-cado recipe. First, make sure to have your parent or guardian with you while you're working on this recipe. We're going to be using sharp knives and we want to make sure little fingers don't get hurt. All right, let's start. Well, have you ever wondered if an avocado skin is like a dinosaur's? Let's feel the avocado skin. Do you think that's how dinosaur skin feels? Step one is to cut our avocado into shapes. And we want to have them in round shapes and in half moon shapes because we want to make sure we have enough shapes for our dinosaur. Now, step two is to cut our tomatoes into shapes for the scales. And so we can cut our cherry tomatoes right in half. Now, step three is to cut our red or green pepper for our dinosaur feet. Now, step four, we're going to cut our onion into shapes for our teeth. So we want to dice the onion pretty fine so that they can look like dinosaur teeth. Now we're going to rinse and pick our cilantro so we have head scales or our track prints for our Dino-cado. Now we are ready to assemble our Dino-cado, and we're going to first start off with putting down his tail, which will be one of our longer slices of our avocado. Then we're going to create his stomach area using also the longer avocado slices, and we are going to connect those together to make it look like a dinosaur. Now, this is the way I did it, but if you have a dinosaur that is your favorite dinosaur and you want him to look like that, you can make your Dino-cado toast look however you please. Now we're going to add our cherry tomatoes, and those are going to be the scales for our Dino-cado. Now I'm adding the neck and the head for the Dino-cado, but remember, yours does not have to look like mine. Yours can look like your favorite dinosaur. Now we're adding our Dino-cado feet, and those are going to be made out of our red or our green peppers. So add away. Okay, we're ready to add our dino teeth, and that is using our red onion. And since dinosaurs always leave track prints, we want to make sure to use our cilantro for either their track prints or we could use them on the scales on their head, depending on which dino you decided to create. Now, did you know that some dinosaurs were herbivores, which means they didn't eat other animals or people or other dinosaurs? They only ate fruits and vegetables and grass and berries. Herbivore dinosaurs are dinosaurs that only ate plants. They had different types of teeth, heads, and bodies than their carnivore dinosaurs, which ate meat. Some herbivore dinosaurs were really, really large, while others were small and fast. Here are some of those herbivore dinosaurs. You're going to have to help me pronounce the names. There's a Triceratops, a Stegosaurus, a Brontosaurus, an Iguanodon, a Stegosaurus. There are so many other herbivore dinosaurs, more than 190. Can you name some of them? Does your Dino-cado toast look like this? Well, I would love to see it. Send us your pictures of your Dino-cado toast. You can find us on Facebook, Pinterest, of course, YouTube, and also Instagram. Use the hashtag Dino-cado toast so we can see. Also, since you stayed to the end, you might as well subscribe, like our channel, share it with your friends and family. Also, if you sign up in the description below, you can get a free sticker mailed to your chef kid. All right, see you next month.